So my cousin John gave me a 7.5 inch Fox body rear end limited slip. So I took the limited slip out and I put it in the blue Mustang. Then I cut the ears off it because I put a 9 inch in that. I needed the ears to put the 9 inch in the white Mustang. And then I decided, well, let's do some hacking and chopping, and I will build an open face lathe on the milling machine. So that's a 7.5 rear end axle tube, cut down using the outside bearing and stuff. It's a little electric motor to run it. Not done, but in progress. Stock axle bearings in the 7.5 inch just ain't working. I got about 1.5 tooth out run out that I just can't get rid of. So cut it all off, start over, put another stuff on, and got another carrier. Got a carrier bearing either side of it. Try this and see how this works. To drive it, I got electric motor on the axle. I got a water pump pulley, and I welded that to the side, the end gear. So if I want to change it, go like that, pop it in, take out the C-clip, and then pull that one off, and then slide a smaller gear on, put the C-clip back in place, and she's locked back in. That way I can change pulleys on the axle. And I just got my 1 inch thick 9x9 plate, so I'll be turning that into a piece to hold the chuck. Onward, upward. Cleaning up the face so I can mount my chuck. Light path, not really taking anything off right here. Another crude cut. I'll do the fine cut after. So I just keep cutting this down another 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch in. It's 1 inch thick. And that will be the same diameter to center this thing, get my chuck mounted. Then I can drill the 3 holes, countersink them, and then I'll have my chuck mounted one piece at a time. Open that. Quick chuck diameter. Axle was really bent. Homemade wooden jig set up to hold the axle. Mounted in the flange. Gotta love a milling machine. Nice and slow. Only take about 5 thou off at a time. There's my tailstock off the vise, or off the lathe, and that's what I'm making because I broke that one, or it broke, whatever. Anyway, so I'm making a new one. I could try welding it, but it's cast. I might try it anyway. But anyway, I'll build a new one for now because I need it. Get that done so I can carry on. Turn this down and make a shaft to double up the pulleys to slow down the speed on the other lathe. Nice and slow now, got her all geared down.